Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to use an online embroidery lettering app. Go to our shop's homepage, click Profile in the top right corner, enter the email you use to purchase designs from our store, then enter the code you receive, and you will be logged in. Once you're inside, you'll see your customer profile with all the orders you purchased from our website. From your customer profile, you can jump straight into the lettering app. Let's begin. Choose the format compatible with your machine, select the hoop you have, and rotate the hoop if needed. First, I hit refresh to make sure all my purchases are synced. Now I head to my purchases where I can see all the designs I've bought. Okay, I'm going to create a font and design combo, so I'll pick a font and load it onto the canvas. The alphabet is loaded on the workspace and I can just click the letters I need or type them. On the right side, you'll see all the sizes and the scale that adjusts the spacing between the letters. In the workspace, you have full control over how you view your design. You can zoom in for details or zoom out for the bigger picture, switch to a true one-to-one view, and display measurements in either centimeters or inches. You can also choose to show or hide dimensions and toggle crosshairs on or off whenever you like. Click on a letter, press tie, and then click again on the design to connect them. Now you can move the whole word together. If you want to adjust just one letter, use the untie button to separate them again. When the letters are tied together, you can use lineup to align them as a group. You can place them on a straight line or along curved lines like arc and smile. If you want to adjust the placement of just one letter, press untie first. My original idea was to create a combination of lettering and design. I can add a new design, choose between different sizes, and directly on the canvas I can delete, rotate, or undo actions whenever I need. On the right side, you have options to sort your colors. The first step is Sort, which automatically organizes colors by layers. The second step is Unite, which merges any duplicated colors. Once you're finished, you can print your design in one-to-one scale, along with the color steps and your design in your chosen format. These files are automatically downloaded and can be found in your Downloads folder. Your session lasts 60 minutes by default, but you can extend it with no time limit. If the session expires, your uploaded files will be deleted and the canvas will be cleared. Always make sure to download your design before time runs out. You can also share suggestions on how to improve the tool, see planned future improvements, and use the help section to learn how to use all its features. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.